This is the unboxing of the MS3000 scooter by ComfyGo Mobility. We're going to start by grabbing a knife and cutting these two straps that are going around the box. Make sure you are not cutting down and into the box. You want to cut upwards. We do not want to potentially damage our product. With these out of the way, there's just some tape going around the outside of the box. So again, carefully, we're going to cut the tape. Then from here, I can open the box. And the first thing I see is some foam. So I'm going to get this out of the way. So from here, there's a few more options. If you have two people or you feel capable yourself, you could just lift the scooter out of the box. But if not, what I would recommend is getting our knife again. And still be very careful, watch where you're cutting. But we're going to cut the sides of the box so that we can then pull the scooter out that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double check, make sure there's no product in my way, and then cut upwards. Same on this side, nothing in the way. And now you can actually see the scooter. So what we have our charger is just sitting in here like this. Then we got our owner's manual right here. Then we have our headlight as well, sitting loose. Then that looks like all the accessories are out of the way. And then from here, we can actually just pull the scooter out. And now I'm going to take a moment, clean up the box, and then we'll get to actually putting the scooter together. So from here, we have our second box. This is where the seat is. It will be a separate box from the main one. So this is all the contents of the main box. We have our scooter, we have our front headlight, we have our owner's manual, a little toolkit, and our charger. But this box is going to be our seat. So again, very carefully with your knife, you do not want to cut down into your product. There's just a piece of tape around the top. Then we're going to open it up. Now you can see we have our seat right here, and then our little cloth basket and our arms. So here's the two arms. We have our ring for the basket. Our actual seat right here. And then the basket. So now that we have all of our parts out of the box and everything picked up, we're going to actually unfold our scooter. You can push the scooter around like this and freewheel, so you don't have to pick it up. But what we're going to do next is we're going to use this bottom red handle and we're going to unfold the scooter. Now, you might have to move these handlebars out of the way. When this one came in, the handlebars were like this, so when I tried to unfold it, it was hitting right here. But there's a little lever up here. You can move these handlebars out of the way, and then we can continue to unfold the scooter. So from here, I'm just going to pull this lever. Then you'll see the front of the scooter, if you kind of push, will fold down, and then it snaps. So now the scooter is unfolded. If you want to fold the scooter again, this other red handle will release, and then you just bring it up together. So now that the scooter is unfolded, we're going to mount the seat. So from here, we're going to mount the seat. So on the seat, you have these back little slits right here. They're going to go right back here. Then this front one is going to go up here. There's a little pull bar that'll lock it in place. So we're going to set it back in here. Now you want to make sure it's kind of in the middle. If you have it slid over too far to one side, it won't actually lock down. So I have these pretty much in the middle, and we're just going to push forward, and it locks just like that. So next we're going to install the arms. The arms just slide into a little bracket under here. Now there is a screw in there, so you're going to want to make sure the screw is out of the way, or else the arm won't slide in, it'll just catch it. So once you have that screw backed out, you just slide the arms in, and then you'll tighten the screw again. The screw does have a bolt on the side, and you are provided with wrenches in your toolkit, so you can use those wrenches to tighten that down. And then once that's tight, your arms are ready to go. Now the arms, if they are facing down too much, there's also a bolt right here. You can loosen that bolt, and you can change the angle of the arm. So that one looks a little bit better now. You can do the same thing on this side, but that is how you install the arms. So now we're going to put the basket on the basket frame. So this is the part that connects to your tiller. You want to make sure that this external Velcro is parallel with this. Then from here, just getting the basket on, there's just some Velcro in there. You'll put your ring through, Velcro it down, and you'll do that around all sides. Once you have the basket installed around the frame, next we're going to do is we're going to install the basket. So basically these two hooks go under and then over, and it rests just like this. Then you want to make sure these wires aren't being pinched. From here, that Velcro will actually, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to raise the handlebars up a little bit. But this Velcro will go around and secure it to the frame, just like that. So there's our basket. Next thing we're going to do is install the headlight, and then this is also our control module. There's 2 Phillips screws in here, and actually the keys that come with your unit are also going to be wrapped around this. But essentially, you want to do the basket first because this is also going to go around it. It's just a little easier that way. These 2 plastic knobs are going to go over the handlebars, just like that. We have our wiring here. You got a black wire on a black wire. Just want to connect those. And we have a green and red wire connecting to another green and red wire. Connect those. From here, in your toolkit, you're actually given a little Phillips head screwdriver to go with these screws. So the screws just go in under here. You can hand thread them until it starts getting tight, and then just tighten it up with your screwdriver. Make sure it's sitting forward, and then this should be installed as well. So now that we have our headlight and drive module installed, the scooter is actually done and complete. So we have the MS3000 scooter by ComfyGo Mobility. It comes with your charger, your front basket. This seat is actually the upgraded seat. It's a little bit wider, but the seat installation will still be the same. Once again, this is the MS3000 by ComfyGo Mobility. If you like this unit or you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Mark's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.